Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, Tyra. If you're new here, hi, hello, and if you're not new here, welcome back. Before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to share with a friend. We are on the road to 11K. Thank you guys so much for the love and support that you've been giving me this entire year. Without further ado, let's get into the video. In today's video, we're dyeing my hair back dark. I haven't really spoken much about this. I did talk about it in another video that's going to get posted very soon, but I want to go back dark. I have had this highlight situation in my hair for almost a year now. In August, it'll be a year. And I don't know, I just have always admired and loved dark, one color, deep hair. When I got the highlight situation, I knew this wasn't going to be forever. This was just to scratch an itch for the time being because I always wanted to try highlights. So during that time, I was like, why not just go ahead and get them? Now that I've had it for a year, time has passed, things have changed. I'm ready to go back dark. I feel like dark hair makes your hair look more healthier. Another big reason why I want to go back dark is because I'm having a baby and I want to be in one of my truest forms when I deliver her. This highlight stuff is new. That's not who I am. So I just want to go back to my original form. And yeah, it is currently 7:58 in the morning and I just finished my morning walk. My hair is actually super wet under this scarf. I'm going to go and wash it first before I dye it because my hair is really dirty. I'm actually going to work on fresh hair for a few reasons. Number one, my hair is very tangled right now and I know that you don't necessarily have to wash your hair if you're going dark before you dye it because you're going dark, so it doesn't, you know, it's not going to really matter or not if your hair is dirty or clean. Another reason is this is like an old hairstyle. So there's like heat protectant, product buildup, like mousse, foam, oil, all the things. And I just want to have clean, fresh hair as I apply color because I don't want any unevenness or just any problem. So I would rather just dye my hair fresh. What I'm going to use to wash is of course a clarifying shampoo. This is by Design Essentials, and then I'm going to use the almond and avocado shampoo and conditioner. After I wash, I'm going to blow dry my hair straight because you can't dye your hair with wet hair. After I blow dry, we're going to come in here and get to work. I'll show you all the things that I got and get to work. So wow, we're dyeing the hair. The dye that I'm using today is Bigen. It is this brand right here, and I got it in the color dark brown. I was originally, this entire time I was originally planning on going black, but my hairstylist said like my hair isn't black, like it's not 1B. It looks black, but it's not black, and she recommended I just go dark brown. So I took her advice on that and went dark brown. There's no particular reason why I use Bigen. There was a few different brands that I was going between: Bigen, Cream of Nature, High Color, and Clairol, but I ended up just settling with this brand. It seemed like the best option for what I was going for. I don't plan on ever dyeing my hair again, to be honest, so I did get the permanent dye, which is another reason why I went with this brand, because a lot of the other dyes were like semi-permanent, and I don't want to like get something that's semi-permanent that's going to eventually wash out and I'm going to have to re-dye it, because I'm not in the dye-in, like, that's not my ministry. I'm not going to be constantly like re-dyeing my hair to keep it dark. I wanted just permanent dark brown hair. This one also has no ammonia in it, which you guys know, chemicals, bleach, ammonia, all that stuff, not good for your hair. So I wanted to get something that didn't have that in it. And then this one, you just mix it with water. It's a powder. It's a permanent powder hair color, and you mix it with water and make a paste, and then you get started. With the Bigen brand, it just comes with this. It comes with the powder color. Apparently you only need one of these if your hair is short, and you need two if your hair is long. I did buy two, so if I don't use the other one, I'm going to return it. And yes, it is in a brown bottle, but this isn't the actual color of the dye. The dye is darker than this. The bottle is just light brown. And then it comes with this plastic container. This is where you fill the water up in to do the ratio of powder to water, but I don't want to work out that small container, so I did buy one of these mixing bowls from Sally's. I did also purchase a little like dyeing brush just in case I needed it, and then it also did come with some gloves, these white gloves, but I'm also going to be putting on these pink gloves as well because my nails are pretty fresh and I don't want to get dye in them, so I'm gonna double up with the gloves. I'm gonna pull out a plastic cap to cover my hair with after I dye. Also, because I'm going dark, it will only take about 10 to 15 minutes to process. So it's not gonna take that long, which is good because I don't have time to be sitting around for no hours and hours for something to process. Babe, I might need you to go get me some more dye. Yeah. Guys, the 2 boxes were not enough. My camera ended up shutting off because my SD footage was full. So when my camera shut off, that was around the time that I literally ran out of my second dye. My husband had to go and get 2 more boxes of dye, so I basically did a box per section. So if you're watching this video and you plan to use this exact color or this exact brand, get more than 2 boxes. Like, you need at least 4 boxes or more. And yeah, so I'm about to go wash my hair. This is what I'm using for wash day: the Amika the Cure Strength Repair shampoo and the Amika Repair mask. The reason I want to use these products is because I want to re-strengthen my hair again from putting chemical to dye my hair back dark. That's pretty much it. I'm going to go wash and then I'll meet you guys at my vanity so we can look at the final result. I just finished washing my hair. I shampooed 3 different times because, man, it is so hard to rinse dark color out of your hair. So I shampooed 3 times and then I did a strengthening mask for about 10 to 15 minutes. So let's look together to see the final result of this color. Oh my gosh. This is black. Oh my gosh, this is dark. Well, mission complete, you guys. Mission complete. So I'm about to do some 2-strand twists. It's definitely going to take me a little minute, so I want to go ahead and get started. But you guys, this is the final result. I hope you guys like it. Let me know down in the comments like what you think. I think I did a really good job. I really do. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to share with a friend, and I will see you guys with another video soon. Bye. Mwah.